What if I told you that one tiny seed could help you lose weight, improve digestion, support heart health, stabilize blood sugar, and even boost your energy levels? Sounds like a miracle food, right? Well, these tiny black and white seeds have been around for thousands of years, and today they're considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. But are chia seeds really as healthy as people claim? Can they actually help with weight loss? And what happens if you start eating them every day? Stay with me, because in this video, we're breaking down the science-backed benefits of chia seeds, how they affect your body, and the best ways to add them to your daily diet. Let's get started.
Chia seeds come from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is native to Central America. In fact, the ancient Aztecs and Mayans considered chia seeds a superfood long before the term superfood even existed. The word chia actually means strength in the Mayan language. Warriors would consume chia seeds before battles because they believed these tiny seeds provided long-lasting energy and endurance. Fast forward to today, and modern nutrition science confirms that chia seeds are incredibly nutritious. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, antioxidants, iron, zinc. And despite their tiny size, they pack a powerful nutritional punch. So let's explore the biggest health benefits of chia seeds and why so many health experts recommend including them in your diet. One of the most popular reasons people eat chia seeds is for weight management. But how exactly do they help? The answer lies in their incredible fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide around 10 grams of fiber, which is a significant portion of your daily requirement. When chia seeds come into contact with water, they absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid. This creates a gel-like substance in your stomach. As a result, you feel fuller for longer. Hunger cravings decrease. You may consume fewer calories throughout the day. Fiber also slows digestion, helping food remain in your stomach longer and promoting satiety. Another advantage is that chia seeds contain protein. Protein is known to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. The combination of protein and fiber makes chia seeds an excellent food for people trying to manage their weight. However, it's important to understand that chia seeds alone won't magically melt away body fat. They work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise. Healthy lifestyle habits. Think of chia seeds as a helpful tool, not a miracle solution. If you struggle with constipation, irregular bowel movements, or digestive discomfort, chia seeds may help. The secret again is fiber. Fiber acts like a natural broom for your digestive system. It helps add bulk to stool, promote regular bowel movements, support healthy digestion. Chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and helps food move efficiently through the digestive tract. Together, these fibers create a healthy environment for digestion. Even more importantly, fiber acts as food for beneficial gut bacteria. Your gut contains trillions of microorganisms that influence digestion, immunity, mood, overall health. Healthy gut bacteria thrive on fiber-rich foods. By feeding these beneficial bacteria, chia seeds help support a healthier gut microbiome. Many people notice improved digestion after consistently consuming chia seeds for several weeks. Just remember, always drink plenty of water when eating chia seeds. Without adequate hydration, consuming large amounts of fiber may cause bloating or discomfort. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The good news is that dietary choices can significantly influence heart health. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA. Omega-3 fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests they may help reduce inflammation, support healthy cholesterol levels, improve blood vessel function, promote overall cardiovascular health. Inflammation plays a major role in many chronic diseases, including heart disease. By providing healthy fats and antioxidants, chia seeds may help protect the cardiovascular system. Chia seeds are also rich in magnesium and potassium. These minerals help regulate blood pressure and support proper heart function. Additionally, their fiber content may contribute to healthier cholesterol levels. Many experts recommend replacing processed snacks with nutrient-dense foods like chia seeds as part of a heart-friendly diet. Many people associate calcium with milk, but surprisingly, chia seeds are also an excellent source of bone-supporting nutrients. They contain calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, protein. These nutrients work together to maintain strong bones and teeth. Calcium provides structural support. Magnesium helps regulate calcium metabolism. Phosphorus contributes to bone mineralization. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes increasingly important. Including nutrient-rich foods like chia seeds can help support long-term skeletal health. For people who consume little or no dairy, chia seeds can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Now that you know the benefits, how should you actually eat them? Fortunately, chia seeds are incredibly versatile. Here are some simple ways to include them in your diet. Chia water. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Smoothies. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons to your favorite smoothie. Yogurt. Sprinkle chia seeds over yogurt for extra fiber and nutrition. Oatmeal. Mix them into oatmeal or overnight oats. Salads. Use them as a crunchy topping. Chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with milk or plant-based milk and let them soak overnight. The result is a delicious pudding packed with nutrients. A common recommendation is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Start slowly if you're not used to high-fiber foods. While chia seeds are generally safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, always consume them with adequate fluids. Because they absorb large amounts of water, eating dry chia seeds without enough liquid may cause discomfort. Second, increase intake gradually. Suddenly consuming large amounts of fiber can lead to gas, bloating, digestive discomfort. Finally, if you have a medical condition or take medications, consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. Moderation is always key. So, are chia seeds worth adding to your diet? Absolutely. These tiny seeds may help support check mark weight management, check mark better digestion, check mark heart, health check mark, stable blood sugar levels, check mark ST wrong bones, check mark increased antioxidant protection, check mark long-lasting energy. And the best part? They're affordable, easy to use, and can fit into almost any eating style. Remember, no single food can transform your health overnight, but small daily habits create powerful long-term results. Adding chia seeds to a balanced lifestyle could be one simple step toward better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their health naturally. And tell us in the comments, have you tried chia seeds before? And what's your favorite way to eat them? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.